There is no doubt that purchasing gaming mice is now a necessity for most, if not all the gamers. Whether to just complete your gaming computer or to have one for the sake of it, you need a gaming mouse. In this video, we are going to talk about 10 things you should know before buying a gaming mouse. Please consider subscribing if you are new on this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Gaming mice must be smart enough to cater every need of a gamer. Modern mice are able to avoid registered erratic hand movements. Mouse correcting is not usually helpful as precision is highly compromised while you play a game. Mouse sensitivity is usually measured in characters per inch, also known as CPI, or dots per inch, also known as DPI. DPI must be between hundreds to few thousands. Higher DPI means faster your mouse will move on the screen. Sensitivity of a gaming mouse must has a wide range. There are two types of sensor in a mice, laser sensor and optical sensor. Laser sensor performs better on the reflective surfaces and return excellent DPI. An optical sensor performs best for roughest surfaces. Acceleration of a mouse is defined as the ratio speed of pointer to the speed of hand motion. It's measured in G, or gravitational force, which is equal to 9.8 meters per second. Lower sensitivity games need to turn with the acceleration, usually as since they need more hand motions. It means the response and transfer rate between computer and mouse. It's measured in Hz and essentially range between 250 and 1000 Hz. As mouse is a peripheral, send data is actually processed first. Afterwards, any action is completed on your computer screen.
Programmable buttons make a gaming mouse or keyboard more exciting. A gaming mouse usually have buttons that can easily be turned to hotkeys or shortkeys to execute actions in a game much quicker, such as sniper buttons available on first-person shooting game specific mice. Within programmable buttons, there is a set of profile settings where you can specify many different activities for buttons and change characters for all games. With same mouse, it is possible to easily switch between games and genres. It is defined as how high you can lift up the mouse from surface before the move or movements becomes unresponsive. A mouse software is useful to adjust the lift of distance. Lift of distance has an important role in competitive games. Although not all gamers bother much about the weight of mouse, it really matters. It determines level of comfort and feel while you play a game. Nowadays, adjustable mouse weights are trending concept in gaming world. Fine-tuned, it can help you to make an increase prediction easier. Finally, connectivity is something to consider if you already own other peripherals from the same company. Logitech, Razer, SteelSeries all offer unified software platforms, meaning that you may get a better gaming experience if you sync up your mouse, keyboard, headset, mobile app and whatever else you happen to have from a given company.